Alright guys, welcome to a bonus video. This video will be making the cuts for the bishop. So basically for the bishop video we just made the model, but we didn't have that cut since it wasn't in the reference. So this is just going to be a short bonus video of how to make the cut. Without further ado, let's begin. So first let's go to front view and add a cube. So this is what's gonna be the thing that's gonna cut. So let's scale it down and rotate it on the Y. Then you can scale it on a normal X a little bit to make it a little shorter, not too long. Now right here you can scale it on the normal Z. To scale on the normal, you can just double tap the axes. So if you just let's say scale it Z, it will scale it on the global. So if you double tap it, it will be the normal of it. Okay, I'll have the thickness around here, and let's adjust the rotation a little bit. Okay, then now we can add a boolean modifier right here, and use the selection tool and select the cube. Now one thing to note, if you have your cube too close to your bishop, sometimes it will disappear. So yeah, keep that in mind. So I'll adjust it a little bit and I'll have that. Okay, so now let's apply the boolean, delete the cube, and there's gonna be another material added like this. It's an empty slot. We can just select it and click on minus and it should be good. So now there's a little mess right here and let's fix it. So to fix this, we're gonna use a crease. So let's select this in a loop like this and Shift E. Okay, and then you can just slide it out and it should be good. So also right here, Shift E, bam. Right here, Shift E, slide it out. Perfect. So now there's some problems sometimes, like the edge is very obvious right here. So the problem with the edge is that there's this the part where it goes from the object to the cut is kind of not in the same spot as the corner of the cut. So we need to press GG to slide it to the corner and select the edge that goes to the corner and press Shift E to crease it into place. Okay, same as right here, GG, select here, Shift E, crease it, and right here, right here, GG, select the edge, Shift E, last part, GG, select this, Shift E, there we go. So now the shade smooth looks kind of weird right now. We should change the type right here. So let's go to object info and then go to not object info, mesh data properties, and go to normals and click on auto smooth right here, and perfect. There we go. That's as easy as that. Now if you don't like this, I kept this in for the last video, but if you don't like it, you can just loop cut and slide it together like this and it should be fixed. Okay, that is it for this video. This video is just a bonus for the bishop to make the cut. And yeah, if you have any issues, you can leave a comment, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.